How to deposit money in USAA ATM? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can deposit money in your USAA account from an ATM. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, you must go into USAA.com website link. You're going to find that link in the description of this tutorial. And once you are there, you must scroll down until you'll find the option. Let me show you find ATM. In case you don't find it, remember you can press the shortcut Ctrl F or also Command F if you are in a MacBook, and you just have to write the word ATM. So there it is, find ATM. With this tool, you're gonna be able to look for different ATMs close to you. By now, this is gonna recognize my location if I allow it, but there are different ATMs along the country, so you just have to go into your preferred location and check where are the ATMs. Now I'm going to scroll up again because here there's an option to click on search, and I'm going to write the word ATM, click on search. This is going to redirect me to a new page, and here I'm going to be able to know more about the ATMs. This is an article where I'm going to be able to know more about the ATMs. So how do ATMs work? Obviously, there is where you are going to be able to withdraw some money. You can also make some other things like viewing your checking or savings account balances and transferring money. And this is really important. Depending on where you bank, you might also be able to deposit cash and checks if you use their ATMs. So not in all the ATMs, and obviously it depends if it's close to bank, you're going to be able to deposit cash into your account using like cash or checks. Perhaps you can make some transfer from another account, but if you want to deposit a cash, you are going to need a bank close to the ATM. And that's how it works. So remember, you can use this tool in order to check the different ATMs, and probably you are going to be able here in service this filter just to click on deposit cash, and this is going to let you know which of these ATMs are available for this process. And that's how it works. That's how you can deposit money in USAA ATM. Thanks for watching.